All right, folks, welcome to the market forecast of EUROUSD, GBPUSD, and DXY. We will be talking about the higher time frame draw on liquidity, as well as where do I think where the market will go in a longer term basis. And let's get straight into it. On the EUROUSD monthly chart, we have an expansion daily range. Is this expansion daily range confirmed yet? No. How come there's no bearish candle to confirm this expansion daily range? As well as we have a monthly ERL to potential IRL. If this expansion daily range gets met and gets created, we're gonna have a monthly premium ERL discounted IRL. Now going down to the weekly time frame, we have currently a weekly IRL to ERL, as well as a weekly CRT to the upside. Now, first one look is the weekly CRT high before going anywhere else, which is gonna get met very soon. Now, we are on the last week of the month. We only have 6 days and 1 hour left on this last week of the month, so we only have 5 days left. No. So this is the last week of the month. Since the last week of the month, as you guys know, always the last week of the month, we always want to be careful, cautious, because the last week of the month is usually always a retracement because it needs to close in a fair price for the monthly time frame open, high, low, close concept. And you can see 4th week retrace, 4th week retrace, 4th week right over here. This is a 4th week right over here. Didn't do much, but guess what? Cautious week. 4th week retrace, 4th week retrace, 4th week retrace, 4th week right over here. Retrace, right? As you can see, it's pretty common, thing here. 4th week retrace. So what are we looking for? Are we looking for a bullish retrace to the upside or a bearish retrace to the downside? I'm looking for a bearish retrace. Why am I looking for a bearish retrace? Because the monthly time frame has a big wick, and market needs to close in a fair price. And this candle, as you guys know, we want a daily range to happen in a monthly time frame. So we want an expansion daily range to happen in a monthly time frame. So we would need high likely to this candle to close bearish. So if this candle could close bearish, that would be fantastic and it will last the month. So this candle is overall a bearish candle. I'll probably say it was a bullish candle here though. Since a bullish candle, we want last week to what? Retrace. So since a bullish candle, we want the last week to retrace because a bullish candle, right? Open, low, high, and eventually needs to close. You can't close in a bullish ass candle to close lower, right? As well as you can see, we have this. We look for last week of the month. I'm looking for a bearish retrace. Why am I looking for a bearish retrace? Although I'm in a bullish trade, the bullish trade, when the market does a bullish retrace, it needs to make a high first, then go lower. Right? So the high is gonna hit out, take profit. Now, on the just to let you guys know, on the last week of the month, I'm looking for a retrace. So I'm looking for the next week. I'm only looking for shorts. I'm not looking for longs at all. So if I have a long opportunity, I'm not gonna take it. I'm looking for trades for shorts or no trades, or I'm not even gonna trade this week. Right? So I'm only looking for shorts if it makes sense. If it does not make sense, I'm not looking for no short trades. But next week is very cautious. That's when the most people lose their money. So be very careful. This is when the people have to try to come back on a profitable month. Why are you doing the last week of the month, right? The last week of the month are beautiful. The last week of the month are always a retrace. Always last week of the month. Keep that in mind. So next week I'm looking for a bearish retrace. Why? I'm looking for next week I'm looking for just a short down. Why? Because you can see monthly time frame is a bullish candle. A big ass wick here is to get at least close at a fair price inside that wick, because we can't have a big ass wick in there. We need to close lower. We need to feel that we need to close at a fair price, and the candle is bullish, so we need to go lower. So we make that open, low, high, and the market goes into go lower. to do that closing price on the weekly. So next week, currently we have a weekly shifted upside. So I'm looking for the weekly shifted high to get met, then go lower, right? So as well as we have a weekly S&T CRT here with a correlated pair. This pair doesn't have no S&T because this pair still has not met the 6-month Joe liquidity yet. This pair, we currently have a S&T here. This is the CRT. CRT already got met here on this DXY, but it's highly likely to get purchased as well because it's very short term. It's not gonna handle it because every time frame on the higher time frame is going to be having their own movements. You see, GU has been pushing for the last couple months what I've been waiting here. You can see, and GU still has not made a Joan liquidity, which is all over here, which is 6-month safety high. And yeah, because with GU, we already had a SMT with this high here, right? So we're looking for the SMT is gonna be really short term, but yeah. But next week I'm looking for shorts. Now we go to the lower time frame for the market forecast. We have a daily out of here, daily ERL to discounted IRL, or daily ERL to, you could say discounted IRL or daily IRL over here, because discounted just got max, we're doing rich high, so this IRL still, would definitely work. And as well, we have weekly upside, looking for a weekly CRT high to get met. As well, we have a weekly CRT here, so looking for a weekly CRT high to get met and they go lower. So when the market meets a weekly CRT high, we want it to go a little higher to give us a short, want to sell above the opening price. So yeah, that as well, and that's what we got for next week. But yeah, I'm looking for shorts next week. I do not know my actual context until the half of a day of Monday is concluded, and I want to see how the first half of Monday goes. Then I could potentially see where I'm looking to go. But as of right now, we have a weekly shifted upside, weekly IRL to ERL. The next week is gonna be retracement. So looking for this high to get met. I would draw to get met, then go lower. Now on the daytime for daily, I said daily IRL to ERL, the ERL already got met, as well as we could this be a KOD here as well to the upside. But yeah, that's what we have. Thank you for watching. This is my market forecast. See you guys later. Peace out. Oh shit. Peace out. Join our Discord. Blood clot, nigga.